Well, it's holiday time, and I'm with Diana. We're out here at Terra Casa. And Diana, your store has been transformed, and
Yes.
it is Christmas.
Overnight. It was incredible. I was actually gone for the weekend and came back, and the store was all bright and festive.
Santa and her elves came in
Yes,
over the weekend.
they did.
And you have some really fun, as we're walking through the store, some really great themes that go on.
Right, so what we do is we take a tree and we do a theme tree out of each one throughout the store. So right here we're at the gnome theme tree, and gnomes are big. Gnomes have always been big. I think they're even bigger this year, but they're very, very fun. We also do a lodge Christmas tree. Right. We have a very elegant kind of a glittery tree. We still do a traditional red and green. But doing a gnome tree is kind of fun because you don't have to have a lot of them. You can work this into a traditional red and green.
Right.
You can make, like my house, a very eclectic tree. I bring a lot of different things into my trees at home, things that have special meaning, kids' ornaments, things that I've collected over the years, and gifts from friends. So it doesn't have to be a theme tree per se. It could be a theme tree that's specific to your home.
Right.
Yes.
And you have some tricks and some tips on how to decorate one of those trees. So let's go to a different area of the store here and check out another one of those theme trees and see what we got over there.
Okay.
So Diana, we're standing in front of a different theme tree. So what theme do we have on this one?
So we went sparkly, glittery, yes, and some really neutral tones though, in creams and golds, and yeah, that's kind of what people are drawn to, is all the glitter, all the sparkle.
Right, and you have there's a different way of thinking about trees. Obviously, this one's hanging upside down, which is a totally different way of thinking outside the box, but it's really cool.
It's fun, and it actually shows the ornaments really well compared to a standard shaped tree. But we do this as our focal point, but it's kind of fun to decorate.
You know, and this one definitely has, the ornaments in it, but there's so much more that you're doing with the trees that's outside of the ornaments.
Right, so if you looked at this bare tree before we got started, you would be kind of embarrassed about how plain it is. But between the ornaments and different size ornaments, we add a lot of different things between the ribbon and sprays. And what we do, this is a great filler, is you just take a spray and you just actually stick it in the tree. And it is a great filler. You don't necessarily need a lot of ornaments, but that way you just get that shape to the tree, and it gives it a lot of sparkle and a lot more interest because of the different depths.
I mean, that's super easy. Even I could do that
you
one.
You can do that one, Ryan, right?
Right, but it adds a totally different look to the tree.
Does.
And then you're looking around the shop. You have all of these to make these themes, but there's so much more. The Christmas tree is such a focal point in the house, but you have everything that goes along with it to kind of tie those in.
Exactly. So what we do is we take all these colors, and we try to make shopping easy. We try to separate all the colors of the ornaments. So if you're looking for something specific, you can kind of walk right up to it. But then we take all the different decor items, be it the trees, the Santas, the hurricanes, and we bring them all together around the tree. And you can do that at home too, and use these around your mantle and decorate that way yourself.
Right. And there's a lot of these things too that you don't necessarily have to go in and purchase everything brand new. There's ways to add to your
add to what you already have. Yes, it's baby steps, we say.
Right.
You can't come in and buy all these ornaments, but certainly adding a few statement pieces to your tree will make it pop for the entire season. Yes.
Right. So it's so fun to to walk around the store and just to see all of these simple themes that you have and what all goes in it and how that all ties together. It's really visually, for me, a lot easier to see and put it all together.
It is. It's fun, and I have to give a shout out to Cindy, our merchandiser, who did all this and transformed the store, and she's done a fabulous job.
Yeah.
So
the displays are great. They're wonderful. They're inspiring. So make sure you come out to Terra Casa, and visit all their displays, see all their different themes and vignettes, and you come see Diana and her crew and get inspired for this holiday season. So thanks for having us, Diana.
Thanks, Ryan.